from my town now.
Where be your town?
Oshogbo.
Oh, now then for shoot the video.
Yeah.
Okay, now they say Musi. Musi also.
No, nah, your people.
What you call the talk for na whole side?
Come Musi.
Come Mushi.
Mushi, no.
Go call your grandpapa in the village. Making yours Assam. Say
Speak your language. Say tell everybody. Una good evening. Welcome to the night show.
Welcome to the night.
For your Oshogbo language, Oshogbo Gongo.
Oshun language.
Your own Gongo, where you come from?
No, Ekaleo.
Speak out.
Ekaleo. Welcome to
Maria Gale, welcome to the show.
Even me say, I be speaking about passing. Where's Ekabo? Welcome to the night show. Speak Yoruba. Ekabo, so nice to you. Hey, look at me. Call your name.
Orukomini doing solar.
Orukomini doing solar. Oh God Almighty. This guy ain't going to pay too much for cafe. Taxi, please. I'm going to Isola.
Wait,
no, that one, taxi go say, pay 5,700.
5,000.
Then she go change her. Pay 5,700.
That Isola. It's Isola now. Isola. Oh no. Oh, the people say, where are you going to? Please take me. I'm going to Adjunct Bardai. Come on, go say 10,000. Hello? Come on, I call him again. I said I'm going to a junk party. Okay, madam, na 10,000 now. You go say the girl go change. I say we don't see me. We don't see me. I can't buy it right. Tima trek.
1,000.
No, 1,000. Timati what boss? 150. Because I want to give. Anyway, do Sola, how you dey?
I do.
That you are Beatles. How much if person won't buy them? Where you collect
I
it?
don't know.
No, that Beatles na artifact. You don't know. No, Nelly don't.
No,
People they keep and they no one sell
keep them.
like,
For what now? I don't say that Beatles don't they use water.
You know they use water? The radiator
I
don't use
don't
water?
know. What
I
they
they
use?
tell you now. Now you will take learn how to drive my anti-gate Beatles, blue Beatles. CR6912.
The thing what did they be say? What they only that car? They abnormal. Where boot today for front? I don't know why boot today for front. Engine there for back.
Upside down.
Anyway, though, Isola, welcome back on the night show. Now, what did it take you? Because last time when you say you come to the show, we'll not to say. What did it take you to put this video together? How many days did it take you to shoot this video to start with?
3 days.
3 days.
When you carry and go.
Why you can't go
outside?
Osogbo?
Maybe not the Beatles.
We just want to promote the cultural heritage.
Story.
And
You go where you not go spend too much money.
Nah lie, now that place if you go spend more money. Not true because of the people wey shoot them. They come from Lagos. If you say na Lagos, I feel no spend waiting I spend because they go just move their equipment from here to within Lagos.
So they don't get that kind of equipment for that side.
And then carry everything come from Lagos to.
Now because say you don't know, maybe they can get those.
You don't know. If you all those people they video burial.
They get
when they say their burial. Go Bito.
No be for my video, no be for here.
That their VHS camera. You know those guy camera when they say the video burial and naming ceremony.
Then you go see for their signposts. We cover all sort of
events.
We cover all
sort of events.
Burial,
naming ceremony,
resurrection,
by oh God Almighty. Now, may I ask you? We'll not ask you too much questions. You get any last time when you come? You did play any musical instrument?
That time I did learn guitar.
That time. You not come learn and finish.
I don't learn and finish.
What's happened?
Nah.
Why they,
you know that the boy where they teach him that time, they toast him. Now the truth I tell you so now. You say they laugh now.
You get wish.
Oh, you know I mean? You see, I work spiritually. I know these things.
Now it's here for me that so.
Hey!
And
you're God. You see, when I prophesy in your life, believe me. The boy they toast him.
Now,
So I have finished the story.
now basically, now waiting happen be that. So, but I talk say I go still go back.
No, but waiting.
Waiting happen. You
Waiting
know that-
happen. You never talk
Allow
finish.
Nedu
Now
just
this thing will happen be that.
You won't make a talk about it take me because my spirit man
He's telling
is
you.
telling me.
Yes.
Okay.
Telling me.
That time, I dey go in house, they learn. I still dey. I still dey feel say.
I'm a bottom
I still dey feel say I fit handle am. One day, as they teach me, the wife just waka enter. I say, this man, you know, he dey very heartless. So since that day, I say, I no go
So
back
wait
again.
first.
I did they teach you. Wait, that time. Wait, man, show you go carry the guitar. You can't give her like this.
No, be like that.
No, why say that? Why say that?
Put your hand like this.
Put your hand like this.
Don't be like that, then they learn.
Okay, how you can teach you?
You
When
go
you say, you know, they know they go church. Now somewhere, now house.
I got
When
a
nobody
gift.
get house, you can't go there. You say you get ulterior motive. You carry something for mine. You carry the man for mine. They go the house.
Now there, everybody they learn now. So
For a house.
for a house.
Now, all my girls. Oh!
I'm not saying
girl,
marry.
boy, girl.
You know, say marry.
We don't say he married now, but
But why you can't go in house?
if you married man, you
Then
supposed
they
to
can't say
respect
it. Wife
that.
enter.
It's
If
all-
you say no, they do it.
Eh.
It don't make sense now. If you
So the wife,
understand that
it makes
story,
sense.
it makes
The wife just enter. He just say,
You're
oh,
heartless.
this man,
You're heartless.
You are heartless.
You're heartless.
I'm not doing again.
I'm not. Then she can say, oh, your wife say you're heartless. This man, I'm not learning again.
No.
You remember, if you hear what she talk, he said she be
Wait,
one go back one
Yes,
time.
yes.
No,
Maybe she don't dey miss the man.
Now we
Defend
talk
yourself now.
Defend yourself.
Don't be
Not
wasting
the way now. What do you talk?
Don't be wasting.
But you agree
You
that
know
the man
they
been dey
twist
toast
am,
you.
that person wey die then they lie on top.
But you agree that the man been dey toast you. Now make you dey go the house. Oh, so, hey, wait. Person when they toast you, why you dey go the house? What you dey go do?
They do.
No, tell me.
She didn't learn now. She learned.
Strictly music.
Yes, in our Wabiati, you see mark for my face.
It was supposed to be just music.
Akoko.
But the guy they miss him.
He dey mix am with other things. You say if you come, how many times you go the house?
They do.
From the color do good evening, because he don't come to call us back. Our phone number there top on our TV because make una follow the Insola talk. She go now secret don't come outside.
Wait, secret.
Which secret never?
Secret no dey, nothing dey you do.
You see, don't they sweat?
Nah, see dey.
Because the truth don't they come
Nah,
outside
see
now.
dey.
Because
Do you
you
want
put
me-
am for music.
Nah, see dey.
Anything.
Nah, see half my talk am.
You go soon write.
But why you
want
want come go? You say you want come go back.
Why
Why
is
you
that
want
one
to
and
say
is that
I
the only
want?
place
It's now
you
only
can
the
learn?
one. Thank you. God bless. Oh, I think
Is that the only place?
why
you
be
learn?
say you want come go back to that man? Now only him they teach guitar for Shogo.
You are trying to. I no go talk again. Not before Oshogbo now. Now for this Lagos.
Okay, you know thing happen no help you now. Kemos, no, Kemos, he dey play guitar, he dey play flute. But Kemos, he could teach you 2 days, you don't sabi.
And no be in
Kemos,
house.
and he go,
No be in house.
Kemos, they teach people for a house. So.
Okay, in house. Oh.
He and the mom were God. You don't see mom, my God, teach people how to play guitar. You go, no, why say why? No, that's not the key. You come press you.
You don't teach you.
Kemos no go fit do that kind of thing now.
Kemos, no,
You're doing talking from experience. What are you teaching people? What are you teaching?
no, Kemos go teach you well.
I
But
don't say Kemos.
you don't say Kemos own, What not be say in they do that thing, they press you for stay
You be
selfish.
him be win.
No. He just want me you get the guitar well.
Well.
Because when he touch you for body, you go feel am. You go one learn am quick.
You go feel am.
There is a lot tell us what be that special thing about from Aja before you answer that question. The question I say what
Yes.
be that special thing we dey about you
Thank you.
where people don't know. Hello, good evening from Aja. Ongwa, tell us before we take the and that continue.
Apart from this, you are singing song voice.
Music. One other thing where people never sabi be say, I feel so.
You tell her.
I don't be tailor. I be fashion designer.
What's call me different?
I be fashion designer.
I'm Kiro different now. Tailor, fashion designer.
I know be
now
tailor.
the same whole cloth with needle and machine.
Wait, say not be tailor, be fashion. Now, tailor. What exhibit, please. What is the job of a tailor?
At the sew cloth.
To sew. What it be fashion? What it? Whoa! The fashion designer. Oh Jesus!
I be fashion designer. I know be tailor.
From Oyimbo, good evening, Biko. No. Your TV there too loud, Lovette, and you will not make heaven.
Why would I make heaven?
You don't reduce your TV volume? No.
Yes, I've reduced it.
You don't reduce them? You see, it will take you forever to hear me, so you never reduce them.
But I've reduced it. I'm not hearing what you're saying. I'm hearing you from my call.
Ungwa, talk. I talk the talk where you want to talk.
Well, the issue is that I just came in on my TV, so I didn't even know what people are talking about. I said, let me call. So
you can't call. So now, so you were kind of how. So if you just go somewhere, you know, say, oh, what should I do? You could just enter. Lovette. Bye-bye. Anyway, in case you just enjoying us, we got Doyisola for Inside Studio. Doyisola, you say you be tailor.
I don't be tailor.
Okay,
I be fashion
designer where they design.
Okay,
so what do you use to sew cloth? What did tailor use to sew cloth?
Machine.
Nah, that
what
way.
did Obioma use to sew cloth?
Machine.
Machine is different from machine. No be the one where they carry for shoulder.
You all tell them they do. No be chaka 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 chaka.
Industrial machine.
Kaka industrial. Not only industrial. Na street machine. Oladapo, good evening, John.
Good evening, Edu.
How is you?
I'm fine, I'm cool.
You good. How is your ministry?
I'm good. How is your night?
My life. My life. You don't answer what the name my life. You don't ask off. Hey.
I beg my brother.
If I say how's my spirit and my soul?
Your wife, why you body? DJ, Mr. DJ.
Our body don't dey okay.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And there is Ola there here. Oladapo.
Now.
Oladapo.
Pray for me.
Speak Yoruba with Doyisola. She dey form.
Good evening, Auntie Demisola.
Speak your language.
Speak your language for her.
Ẹ kálẹ́ o.
Ẹ kálẹ́ mà o.
Ẹ kú ìjókòó, ẹ kú ètò.
Ẹ ṣé o.
Àbí o, táwọn lẹ́bí òfin yín wàhálà torí wọ́n rí pẹ́lẹ́jọ́ ni wọ́n.
Wàhálà wọn pọ̀ báyìí.
Àwàdà wọn pọ̀.
Na your wahala plenty. Oladapo. Na your wahala plenty. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello, another passenger. Akpan.
Lady, good evening.
I don't hear.
You don't vote.
Idioko.
DJ, why they tell him now?
This one, nobody they tell me. I'm a spirit man.
Yes.
My friend, come on there. Which spirit?
I don't keep quiet. How is you?
Mama, you don't
I'm Mamba. I don't hear.
Mamba.
Idioko.
Baby mama. Now you Mama. Mama.
I also.
Nedo said you went to buy fuel. I said, if you don't buy the fuel, come back.
Yes. Nkeka don't worry that fuel.
You don't go.
Da. Ese nyawon nkeka abio nka na nyong di amata ma neke kpon gudo.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, Madi, am I better than
Mbene fan gbo, mbene aran, mbene fang, mbene mkpasibu yo, mbene eko die.
Akon, mkpasibu yo. That is what she talk now, mkpasibu yo. Na him.
Nedu, no be you I want to talk to today, please.
Sorry. Now the mkpasibu yo they talk now. Oh.
So I was just, as we not see you since now, say make I hear from you.
Okay, thank you.
Now me, I been a Katim.
Oh, Doyisola.
I been a Doyisola.
When you eat your soup and gari for show, you don't give me.
You know, cause say you want chop now.
I called. The line was not getting through.
Oh! Oh! Akpan!
Bye-bye. Esiere.
Esiere!
Etiere.
Give up, Esiere! Puabiko! Esiere! Hello!
Jesus.
Hello, Monday.
Hello?
How is you, Monday?
Me and Dave, I know.
It's Tuesday.
Where Thursday? I be Tuesday.
You know there.
There is Sola there for inside studio.
Yes.
Oh yeah, talk to us.
Start the way me I work for December now. Just
Bye. Hello, who there on the line again? Apart from Monday from Bariga. Well, there's a lot more. Come back to you. Now,
You say you be fashion designer.
be fashion designer. How many people you don't sew clothes for?
Plenty people.
Why you never sew clothes for us?
Which kind of clothing
As
they
you don't
sew?
talk am now.
No, which kind of clothing they
Which
sew?
kind of clothes you sew?
They sew linen, calico, nylon, silk.
Which one be nylon?
Which one be
No,
nylon?
a different type of material. My sister. Okay, you're a fashion designer. Fashion designer can design something from nails
For anything.
and from rubber band, even
from
dustbin
newspaper.
bag.
Anything.
Now, so they start fashion clock. Now,
Oh,
they
yeah,
give you
okay,
cement
though.
bag.
Okay, she's a fashion
And she
designer.
said she be fashion designer, and they start with cement. Can't sit down there. Now, how you would describe your style of music? Your brand of music?
Because I know say she like old school thing. You know say for that video, you carry people go, he tie those lapper, they tie that time. Everybody come be like say, now waiting they do with that. Now una come like the 50s past now.
No be so. Now we, like I said earlier, we just try to promote the cultural heritage to let people know, say, we never forget about the things of the past.
Okay.
Just they bring the things of the past
She
back
speak English.
into the present.
For me, I'm a Friday. Monday call, Friday they call now.
To remain Tuesday,
Tuesday and Thursday and Wednesday. Hello, Friday.
Good evening, Oganeju.
How is you?
Fine, Oganeju.
What talk your talk?
Is it just a hello?
Hi, boss. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Cassie,
Ma,
I like your style.
I like your style also.
Oganeju.
Waiting.
I want to beg you something.
Don't you, Sola?
I want to give
you
you
want- you-
Cassie for my Christmas gift.
The only thing I fit give you now, Doyin Sola, you want them?
No,
You don't want Doyin Sola?
I don't want to use a lot.
Then my brother, you don't lose with that because I didn't you agree to take Doyin Sola. Seek ye first the kingdom of God, and every other thing shall be added unto you. I didn't you seek ye first Doyin Sola. You don't know.
Make heaven.
What did they say in the fine for
What did they find for Christmas?
rice?
I want Cassie for Christmas.
Papa, na die you dey so. Na die you dey so.
I know they die now. I gave you
You know rabies? Rabies. When dog buy person, know that thing? Rabies. Make a not finish. Don't worry. Good night. From Ojodu, good evening. Hello, Isikak. Aforosima?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, don't
What
say
did
so.
that one mean?
You demand.
Hey, Jesus! I don't hear. Isikak. Akekauke. What do you mean Akekauke? Where you dey go? Oh God Almighty!
Where you been go?
Oh, okay. Akekauke.
Okay, where you dey go? Okay, where you been go?
Akauke nko.
Where you dey go?
It be like okay na rat. Akekauke. Okay. Now, so let me ask you now. What do you call your brand of music? I like Katin.
Afro house.
Afro house. Or because everybody they give you Elegushi music.
Uptown music.
Afrocentric.
Afrocentric tempo.
Me, I dey do
Afro
all
R&B.
kinds of music.
Huh?
But for now,
All
I
kinds
fit
of
talk say Afro pop.
But wait, no vex so. What be this Afro pop?
Give me 5. Who come here that time they say they sing Afro house? Mad Dolce.
What be this Afro pop?
Hi.
When you hear it, it's just like an infusion of Afro with pop.
What be Afro?
What be pop? What be Afro? Afro na hair where they grow.
Hey.
Na music,
For music
na
now.
music we dey talk.
So, in a
Give
music,
example,
give us a music example of Afro.
Afro na all those them
South
fella, all those them
Fela.
fella beats na Afro.
Okay, so you can't join now. Which one come be the
Afro
pop?
maybe na like hip hop.
Yeah.
Go
It's
infuse.
quoi fella? C'est quoi hip hop now?
Infuse the two together to give you.
Okay, fella and then
And the
like a
modern,
fella
the
or Philo
modern,
now.
the modern hip hop,
Na him
everything
be-
together.
Oh.
Na him be
Afro
Afro
pop.
pop.
Afro house or one. If you carry fella, put up for inside house. Lara, good evening. Lara from Isolo.
Hello, good evening.
Isolo.
How is Isolo today?
You?
How is you?
We are fine, yo. I'm not there.
We there. So Isola dey inside studio.
I dey greet Amodo. How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. Báwo ni ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o?
Adúpẹ́ o, ẹ ṣé o.
À ń gbádùn orin yín o.
Ẹ ṣé o.
Ọlọ́run á máa bu ọwọ́ yín sókè o.
Àmín o.
Ọ̀gá na-edu your wahala too much. Wetin happen?
Wetin I do?
Wetin happen?
Wetin I do?
Your wahala too much. Na you dey fight all of them for there.
Wetin?
Madam o.
You wan fight me too?
Alaye.
You wan fight me?
You do
I
calm
no
down.
fight you.
Tell me, you wan fight me? You wan fight me?
I no dey fight you, Oga na-edu. Your wahala too much.
Oya, wetin you wan talk
Sit
now?
down, jare.
Mori go complain about Muna.
Wetin you wan talk?
Oga DJ, well done.
Good evening. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, oh, good evening. Now, well done. Good job, guys, eh?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Now your
bye-bye.
Go sit down.
Now your
wahala
bye-bye.
too
Now you
much.
sit down. Now you sit down.
Go sit down. Your wahala
Go.
too much, G.
Now you sit down. Not be my sit down. If I want start dunka.
You stand.
Now you stop by sit down and stand. Hello, Nsikak, what's it now? You never come finish.
Oh, what do you do?
Ake kauke.
Alva.
Ake kauke.
I'm about here.
Give up one sit papa. That is what you talk now. Idiot.
This your got too much. They go kidnap you.
Nothing. You can't do more than that. Talk.
This your got too much on the door, father.
Ade, what did happen now?
Hey, the ginger like this.
What did happen?
I just them my brother.
You want do Isola? You want do Isola?
Sister, no. Sister,
You want Katim?
so called.
Oh, my come.
Now she you want? Now she you want?
No, I'm
Now
his
my
sister.
sister, no, I dey talk my sister.
I don't dear.
Idiot.
Manufa, do you
They do also work in one.
Da do the when you tongue either make it song at that time, so tongue.
My brother said to you. Otumokpa back to you too. Otumokpa, what you talking now to you too? He said Otumokpa. I hear Otumokpa.
They do.
Your gra too much, so they go snap you.
Now your gra. Is it your gra?
Don't worry, you have any that ESCC church in Benin.
I'm okay.
So.
They do my job.
Hey, c'est quand ma G.
I don't
feel you down. Magama G. Good night. Bye.
What these people?
Magama G.
Nicodemus, they hate you like that.
Nicodemus, they hate like that. I beg to ask you. Now, since that time, Afro pop, Afro house. Now, ma ask you now. Since when you say from that time when you say you don't come show, go back. Which how? What you could say be the success level, and what you could say be the challenges so far when you say you don't get?
The last time I come here, I never shoot video.
Okay.
Oh, thank God now, video don't day, and the acceptance don't day very encouraging.
Okay.
People will see and then they like them.
I hear people they disturb you now for road. Say, is that gay? Is that hele, mama, hele?
We they get there. That's what
You don't put on for ringtone too.
they ringtone.
Hello, good evening.
More time now, album. Will come on.
Hola,
Hello.
how is you?
We they work towards
I'm
them.
fine.
Next year.
You want Doyisola?
Now my sister now.
I follow her talk, she dey hear you.
You know, people they eat for house. So, you want keep person for house?
What you do now?
Everybody, people they eat for house now. You want scatter house?
What? What you do? Not be here there.
God will forgive you.
Oh yeah, would you talk to Doyisola?
Doyisola, how are you now?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Okay, we will enjoy you.
Thank you very much.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
All right, so.
This we they enjoy you, we they enjoy you. If everybody they enjoy one person, now that the person go die. We they enjoy you, we they enjoy you.
Maybe waiting you did.
No, why you gonna enjoy you?
Your mind. Now the music.
Do that, we they enjoy you, we they enjoy you. Easy go enjoy you. In case we go enjoy you, K-Moss go enjoy you.
Nedu.
Fashola na your papa. Tunde Raji Fashola.
Now so it be. Now so you come.
Fashola picking no go come. Fashola no dey say for Ikorodu. Eh?
This one na Tunde Raji.
Oh, what the Fashola not dey your own?
Fashola no dey.
Oh, you talk to we dey hear you.
Na TR. No be BRF.
Tunde talk now.
Hello?
Yeah, you did phone.
You know the thing with the apple. You see the Isola?
Yeah.
Yeah, they try, not be small.
She dey hear you talk to her now, talk to it.
And your wife wait.
Hey! Oh! Tunde Raji Fashola.
Wife, una no need wife.
Tunde. Ma ask you,
Okay.
You go feel like marrying a celebrity. Ma ask you first of all to start with. Inside the whole main celebrity we dey for Nigeria.
Music and film.
Music and film.
And everywhere else. Even football. Even
Now,
basketball.
Who you go like marry? If they say make you marry celebrity.
No be outside though. Look
Nigeria
within.
here.
Look within yourself.
Local for Nigeria.
Make I mention one person. Who I won't pick now?
Okay, you get then mention 3. You can't choose from the 3.
Yes, mention 3.
God.
Then too many.
There are too many.
Oh, wow.
Jesus, my sister, no wonder they say that they enjoy you. No wonder they say that they enjoy you.
I go mention.
Narrow
Now all
down to
of
the
them I
first.
won't marry.
I lie.
Now all of them
He
go
don't
back
use
to
that lie. He don't use that change am now. I talk. Choose
them
one.
plenty.
Choose
I
one.
don't know who I
You
go
get to
choose.
narrow. No, be say you. We
I
not
don't
say you
know
go marry the
who I
person.
go
Not say you go marry am o. We just say if.
I don't even know who I go talk.
No, just say if. If you want
The
marry.
first 3 names will enter your mind
We
now.
just enter my head.
You see Mark for with face, I think.
I like Inyanya.
Okay.
I like the old,
Inyanyambo.
you know.
Okay, Inyanya.
Inyanya.
Who else?
Who else I did
You
like?
say you go like praise.
Na most he done the plot.
You know,
Inyanya never come o. He done the like. I like Inyanya. The whole Moscow.
The next day you go come show. We go see Inyanya.
Who again? He
Who
done the
they
sweat.
us?
Why ladies they do the thing?
I know they don't.
I don't know. Them plenty.
Inyanya.
I don't know.
Inyanya.
I feel just they call plenty names.
Praise the.
I feel call Praise.
Who
I
again?
feel call Two-Face.
Okay,
I
don't
feel
do.
call.
He don't do.
I feel call.
Blackface he call.
I know call Blackface. And Yellowface.
So is he not money enough?
Now Yellowface.
Idris Abdulkarim.
No, you talk saying the
In
set
the house
tire. Who the
agent.
set tire?
Then I want to code the
But
set
I
fire.
know.
No be like say, no be say with because of those things they no blow.
I
They
know,
don't
I
be
know.
that for village.
You know thing go
I know,
happen.
I know, say them
Next
do
time you
that.
go come this show. But ma tell you now, if you say Inyanya now, what you go do?
If you see Inyanya, Ari Song and Casey. And
No,
Keke
Casey na traffic light.
I know.
You never know. How can you know she like Casey?
I
No, she go follow Inyanya.
I
You know,
go
see
still
plenty
follow
girls.
Inyanya.
And Inyanya, they always pull himself. We just go, it's hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Can I pull my shirt?
Yeah. Put your shirt now.
Me, I guess this part, I no one just show my own.
Show her, make we see.
Ma, put my, one more can show you.
I don't even put your name.
No, Vess. Just don't let her annoy you.
Please, pull it. Let's see what you've got.
No wonder they say that they enjoy
Wait,
you.
we see.
I bet, for those who want to follow you on top of social media, talk your handle.
Okay, on top social media, and at DY Honey. DYHONNI.
Honey.
DYHONNIE.
Honey. Yeah, honey,
DY Honey.
From my name, Doyinsola.
Okay, now for
Doyinsola
everywhere.
means
Why honey come there
honey.
inside?
Because my name means honey.
For Twitter, Instagram, and all of
Doyinsola.
them.
Everything.
Mean honey.
Yes. Like adding,
Honey of God.
adding wealth.
To your honey.
Yeah. Like
My brother,
Adding
again.
honey to your wealth.
sweetness to your wealth.
Those of you welcome, because thank you.
Honey, na honey.
Honey. No wonder they then they enjoy you. Honey.
DY honey.
Follow DY honey. I beg. Those of them who want to follow, enjoy her. Follow DY honey to enjoy her music. Enjoy her video. Download her music. More music they call from her because I know that she they work on baddest combos. When you say they come out very soon. From January, we're going to begin this year. Anyway, double toilet to all of them.
The feature for those combos?
The feature.
For the next song, I'm thinking of a rapper on my next track.
If you feature Nyanya, you could rap in Nyanya chest. Hey! Anyway, now good night. Hey!
If you are not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.